my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with
Mia,
and today we'll be unboxing the Orosa Beauty x Charli and Dixie D'Amelio's nail polish collection. So let's get started! Okay. So I have the box here. You can see it says Orosa from Orosa Beauty. We're just gonna unbox this. Woo! Ready? Alright guys, so we're going to unbox it. Do you want to do the honors?
Me?
Yeah. Okay. And then all over this so they can see. I have my keys, my kunai knife, to unbox it. Oh!
Wait, don't
Ready?
put it like that.
Like
Open
this?
the other way.
Oh, okay, this way?
Yeah.
Ready guys? Okay, it says hashtag painty. Paint. It says paint your persona, but I said painty. What? Woo! Coastal Craze.
It has stickers.
Greetings from Coastal Craze Orosa. Ooh.
And it has the colors behind it.
That's dope. And it has like all the colors. Includes Piggy Bank, Bahama Blue, Peachy Sunset, Number One Baby.
Where are you looking at?
Right here, I'm reading the.
No, you're only reading. Oh!
That's what so you can read those, dumbass.
Don't get it.
Read the names of the nail polish colors.
You read these already?
You know, whatever. Stickers, Coastal Craze. These are kind of cute. And then I think these could go on your nails.
That's what I said.
Little things. That's what. Oh my gosh, they look cute. They look really nice. Orosa, ooh, paint your persona. The pure cover nail paint. Oh, it just says like the steps to do and everything. These are 14-free, cruelty-free, and vegan, which I love. All right, and now let's get to unboxing the main. Let's go. Ready? Oh, this smells like nail polish. Smell it?
But it's not like nasty.
No, it's not like nasty. Ooh, it slides out. It's
cute.
Orosa Coastal Craze by Charli and Dixie D'Amelio. Ooh, this is cute. I love this. And we're wearing our San Francisco shirts, you know.
Reppin'.
It's the same thing.
Shit.
Let me see. I like this box though.
It's cute. It's cute packaging.
Ready? How do you open this then?
From here, you know, fuck. Oh wait, do you push it too?
Oh,
yeah,
I
was right.
Ready? 1, 2. Can you guys see it? Oh, that looks
nice.
cute. I like this a lot.
So cute.
Oh, they're so cute. They say Charli and Dixie. Aw, I love that. Orosa, Charli and Dixie.
Oh,
with
and
like
then
little
it
hearts.
says a little here.
That's so cute.
Who's this?
Well, I've always loved,
Who's this? Who's?
This one's Charli's and this one's Dixie's. Charli's is like the more like prominent colors, and Dixie's a little more like laid back, you know, cool down, subtle. Yeah, but I love from Charli's. I love the red and the blue, and then from Dixie, I love these two. I think.
I like these three, and then here I like
the blue. I love the red. When I saw Charli wear the red, I was like,
I mean, they're all cute, you know. But
They're all really
I see
cute,
these
but like, you know, they like
me
yeah.
more, yeah.
It says, the nail colors of our dreams are finally here. Thank you for checking out our first collection with Orosa Beauty. We're so excited for you to get creative with the shades that inspire us. Tag your looks with hashtag Orosa and Coastal Craze, Charli and Dixie. Oh, their signatures, they're so cute. What are Dixie's? Dixie's is like me. I'm kidding. Dixie's is like yours. Charli's is like mine, huh?
Yeah, because you always put like hearts and stars on your shit.
I love this. Alright, so now we're just gonna put these on and see how they are.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're going to start painting our nails. I think I'm gonna go for like these colors, not gonna lie. I'm gonna go for like Dixie side of the collection. I'm kind of feeling Abyss and Rapids. Take it out of the box. Imagine just like a little goodie under there.
They're cute.
Yeah, they're like, I like them. Nice and chunky.
Is it what is them? Beachy Sunset.
Ooh.
And cold.
Alright, so
they
is
like
a
match.
This is a really cute collection. Like a
It
place to put
matches.
your stuff.
Yeah, the name.
Beachy.
And Cove.
Beachy Sunset Cove. Ooh, cool. Alright, I love this because it's like easy to put away. You could just like, you know, like nice, keep it clean, nice and tiny. Alright, let's get nail painting. Woo! Look how cute that looks. Ooh, and show yours. Ooh, that looks nice.
Alright, can I open it?
Yeah, let's open it. I can't open it. Ooh. Oh,
shit.
It's like stubby.
Nice.
Okay, like to cover your whole like. I like this. It doesn't smell too strong either.
Yeah, usually when like you
smells
open
pretty-
it,
yeah.
it usually would like.
It's cool. Okay, I like this a lot.
Alright, let's open our second one.
Yeah.
Oh, this was.
That one's easier to open.
Do you need help?
Yeah, okay. Alright guys, so after a little while, this took a while to open, not gonna lie. But once you open it, it's like pretty easy. Whew. This one's a really good color. I love this color. So cute! Alright, now we're gonna start.
What's up?
Ooh, my gosh, that looks nice. Ooh, they look really like opaque, like nice. I love this brush. Is like really cool. This one's like a wide brush, so it like gets your whole finger like right away, you know. What? Oh my fingers.
Your fingers.
My fingers are a little green because before I painted them with like this
It
other.
looks like Killer Bee aesthetic.
Ooh, I like that. Okay, it's not too shabby. I like this formula that they used. This is my first layer done.
No.
It's pretty nice. Okay, Orosa Beauty, I'll see you. And I've never heard of Orosa Beauty before.
Same.
Before this, and I was like, okay. Not too chubby, not too chubby. This is how it looks for my 2 layers. They look really nice. I like how like the thickness it looks. You know, this brush is really like nice. Woo! We're gonna do this side off camera, and then we'll come back and show you guys our finished results. Oh, and we're gonna come back with our thoughts and everything, you know. All right, guys. So we finished painting our nails. They come out like really cute. I really like everything about it. Actually, this is like one cute, pretty good nail polish. Like not gonna lie, not just because it's Charli and Dixie. If you were to look at the colors, who would you say like is? Oh, wow. Who would you say? Ah! Before it'd be like I'd be like this, but before but now I say I'm more like Charli. They're so cute though. So overall, guys, really love this. They're pretty good, like pretty fast, low key. Huh?
Fast drying, honestly.
Low key, yeah. So yeah, go check out Orosa Beauty Coastal Craze collection by Charli and Dixie D'Amelio. I'll link the where you can get them down below. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining us and trying these nail polish out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below which one's like your favorite like color in this nail polish, or if you're gonna get it, or if you haven't already. So yeah. Thanks guys. Oh yeah, make sure to follow. What's your name?
Just get it out.
I'll link her socials down if I forget, then I forget. Sorry. Imagine. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. See you later. Bye. Hey guys, Super Mexican Mia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with
Get it out, we
and today we'll be unboxing the Orosa Beauty Charli D'Amelio as fuck. Alright guys, so we have the coastal coast.
Thumbnail.
Bitch dry fast.
Okay, wait, I'll see. San Francisco, here we go. San Francisco will come again. I don't know.
Oh, nice.